Viewers, and welcome to the garden city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. My name is Chisom Chikelo and you are watching Adamazi TV on YouTube. Please do well to subscribe. So today we are going to be celebrating the Abacha Festival here in off Port Harcourt Road, Port Harcourt City. So as you all know, Abacha, also known as African salad, is a cassava-based meal. It is a very spicy meal and is one of the most healthy and natural meal we have in the world today. So people, as you can see, people turning up for this wonderful event. So we are going to be asking them few questions pertaining Abacha and their culture. Follow me guys, let's do this together. I can't wait. Woo! So how are you doing? I can see you enjoying yourself, right?
I'm having a good time, it's good.
Oh, that's very good. Oh, okay. So why are you here today?
Honestly, I heard about it like a couple days ago from a friend, so I decided to just come.
Wow, that's very good. So what's that special thing about Abacha that brought you here today? I think it's the Abacha Fiesta.
Yeah, it's really just Abacha. I love it. Anything Abacha, I'm with it. So when I heard about the thing and it was Abacha Fiesta, so I was like, okay, let me come and eat Abacha.
Oh.
Fantastic!
What's your advice to those people there that have never tested Abacha before?
I don't know, like what are you waiting for? It's 10 out of 10, it's good. I would recommend trying it. A lot of people who don't really understand what it is, it looks weird, but it's honestly 10 out of 10, good.
Alright, so
they're not there. Then they Igbo bueno. Igbo bueno.
Do you think Abacha has to do anything with the Nigerian culture?
I mean, absolutely. Culture. Of course, absolutely. I mean, I was introduced to it at a very young age. It's like a way to invite people to your house. When people show up, it's something to give them as a like welcome, come eat with us, something light to like wet your taste buds with. So yeah, thank you very much.
If you carry the race of your hand, DJ Fred, I'll see you. Yes, sir. Our what we want to my face, don't get here in your face. My face, don't get here in your face. My face, now your face is here. I'm gonna go. My face, now your face is here.
Okay, good day, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing good.
Wow, you are looking very good, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so why are you here today?
I'm here to have fun. I'm here to eat Abacha. I'm here to see new friends, old friends, connect, link up. That's what we do in Abacha Festival.
Oh, that's very good, sir. So what's that special thing about Abacha that brought you here today?
Okay, the unique thing about the Abacha Fiesta is the organizer himself. He's very coordinated. He keeps to time and someone is very, very ambitious. If you look at the event, if you have been following Abacha Fiesta all these years, you will see growth, you will see speed. So we are here to celebrate our own and have fun and put that on the map.
So do you think there's any link between Abacha and the Nigerian culture?
Yes. You know, when you hear Abacha Fiesta, it's not about only Abacha. But the name Abacha will remind you that it's our origin. Even if you you're from abroad, you're from America, if you hear Abacha anywhere, you know that this is my heritage, this is my home. So that's the idea.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. What are your advice to those people that have not tested Abacha before?
Una dey miss.
That's very honest. You guys are missing a lot. Okay, sir. So viewers, I'm really enjoying myself today. So we are going to be interviewing another vendor for the Abacha Fiesta. So good day, ma. Good day. How are you doing? Fine. So you are enjoying this event? Yes, I am. That's very good. My name is Chisom Chikel. What's your name? My name is Amma. Wow. And you're one of the vendors for Abacha? Yes, I am. Oh, that's very good. So what do you think is so special about this event? It's just for the culture. I think the person that brought about the show, he's an Igbo person, so he just wants to use it as an opportunity to bring Abacha to life and to the notice of people. He just chill, chow, and connect, basically. That's very good. That's very good. So, what do you think are the basic condiments in making Abacha? Okay, so here I have my Abacha. That's the cassava. I have the palm oil. I have the A.K.A. I have the ehuru. I have the pomo. I have the garden egg. In fact, everything to make it spicy and sweet. Just come to me, I have everything. Celebrity Abacha is what I'm saying. I'll say celebrity Abacha. I would like to have this one. Okay, that's very nice. So what are your advice to those people that have not tested Abacha? Please test it. Like, this is one of the best local food, Nigerian made food that we have. Very, very sweet. Like, in a boss head. That's just how I have to tell you, in a boss head. So can you help us say our viewers to subscribe to Adamazi TV? Okay, guys. I just went there for the first time, so please subscribe to Adamazi TV. Me too, I want to subscribe to their TV. So please help me subscribe to Adamazi TV. Thank you very, very. Thank you. Bye bye. I have never seen a woman sing a brothers. Have you seen? No, since I was born. I have never seen a woman again. Yeah. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. Do you know what is here? No. Do you know what is here? No. Yes, I'm really enjoying myself. I hope you are doing that too. So today we are going to be interviewing another vendor for the Abacha Fiesta. So hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very great. I'm happy to be here today.
Wow, I can see that. Okay, sir. What do you think about today's festival?
Wow. Today is the best of every other Abacha Fiesta being hosted.
Wow. Okay, sir, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm good.
You're looking very good.
Thank you. And you too.
Thank you. So my name is Chisom Chikelo. So may we know you?
My name is Daniel Luguna.
Oh, okay. So
I work with Love FM 97.7.
Why exactly are you here today?
Basically just to feed my eyes and to eat some abacha.
Whoa.
Abacha, man, so long. Yeah, I love abacha a whole lot.
That's very good. So what's that interesting thing about abacha that makes you love abacha?
I can't tell you, but when you eat it, some kind of feel you get, especially when you have it with like fish and some obstacles on it.
Oh la la! So what's your advice to those people that have not tasted abacha before?
They should try it. It's an African delicacy. You know, I'm very adventurous with food, so I like trying out things. You know, so they should try it. It's tasty.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. So can you help us tell the viewers there to subscribe to Adamazi TV?
Okay. My name is Daniel Luguna. Subscribe to Adamazi TV.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Okay. What do you think are your advice to those people out there that have not eaten abacha before?
You should come and test and see.
Yes, you are the comedy premium DJ Spiff, A.K.A. Port Harcourt boyfriend. Subscribe and tune in to Adamazi TV 247 on YouTube. Have fun. This is Port Harcourt to the world. All the best. Boom.